multimodality is one of several steps from the old reductionist approach into the newly coming back sort of holistic approach. The neuroscientists are not satisfied with chopping the brain into individual cells or brain slices and recording just one thing from them and learning in detail about this one modality. Rather, they much prefer, and we actually are involved in this in also developing the equipment for them to be able to do this. They much prefer to work on the brain of the whole animal, and not just a live animal, but rather an awake animal, which is performing some tasks during the experiment. And they would use all the sophisticated new methods to collect as much data from their brain, their body, and their mind that is expressing itself through behavior, and collecting it all from the same mouse in one experiment, and then analyzing it as aligned over time, different modalities. So this trend in the neurosciences is a very useful one, I think, for the whole society to learn from. Because what's happening today is that Google collects your travel data, YouTube collects your viewing preferences, Facebook collects your likes and expression of this and that. These are all single modalities, or okay, they're multimodal, but they're separate from each other. And there's no entity that can bring all these data safely and mine it for you and refine this data for you to correlate between these different parts of your life and activities. This is where the real gold is. These businesses cannot bring these data together because each one of them is sitting on them, owning it and trying to resell it to the others. So this model is dysfunctional. What we need is a place for people to store their data and to open access to this data anonymously to the scientists, so the scientists can mine it, learn something about the societies, these particular individuals, but this information about particular individuals will be given only to that individual in the form of self-knowledge.